All right, my name is Henry Stanley, and we're going over how to display or how to get ready a sterile field, and then we're also putting on some sterile gloves. So we're going to start with the sterile field. So you want to be doing this when you're performing any sterile procedure. So you want to make sure to, when you open it, don't touch it. Can't touch anything. It's okay, that happens. I'll go like this. And I can touch this part because that's not the sterile part yet. So we got the guy right here, and the name of the game is just not to touch the sterile part. So just be really careful. You have a 1-inch border that you are allowed to touch, because you can't just not touch it. If I could make it levitate, that'd be dope, but can't do that. So, and to get it unfolded, don't do what I just did subconsciously, is like do one of those. You just grab it and you take 1 inch and you just do this until it all unravels. As you can see, I'm not touching anything on the sterile field. I'm just touching that 1-inch border, and then, so now we're fully unrolled. All right, that wasn't too hard, that was just a little thing, and then lay it, and again, I didn't touch anything. This hasn't touched anything yet. So that's all sterile, good. I can, if I had other things, like I'd be doing a sterile procedure, I would take my sterile whatever and open, and then kind of just drop it, not like this, but kind of just, and then usually you'd want to put it on like a waist level table, but this is just the bed I'm using right now. So it'd usually be right here, so it's easily accessible, sterile, everything's good. So there's your sterile field. Now we're gonna move on to sterile gloves. So usually they come sealed, obviously, but you'd open them, and as if it was sealed, here, one of those, and then you can't touch this. So we're just gonna, one of these. One of these. Okay, this is where it gets tricky. So as we open the guy, all right, do a little bit of this. All right, right here. See these two little flaps? This is how you're gonna open the gloves. Just like that. And now everything in there is sterile. So, okay, it doesn't do that. So then you gotta pull it taut, because again, you can't touch the gloves. So, usually it's gonna be more nicely folded when they're still in there, but they're gonna be two little cuffs kind of rolled back. This is a better example. So, I can touch the inside of the glove, just not the outside. So I can pick it up holding the inside, and then you just gotta wiggle in there. Real delicate. Again, just not letting the outside touch any part of your hand. As you can see, I'm not doing that. So I'm in there, and guess what? If I get to here, it doesn't matter. Because then once I get this guy on, I can readjust this guy. You're only touching sterile to sterile and unsterile to unsterile. So I can do this because I'm not touching the inside of the glove, I'm touching the outside of the glove. Kind of get it on. I'm just making sure the outside does not touch. All right, now that I got right here, I can adjust. So now I can really get in there and really get comfortable for whatever procedure I'm doing. Boom. Boom. Sterile. Thank you very much.